All right, here we are. We just went to a new customer's house to deliver his their 2x8 garden experience. Look, we got their different vegetables here. I got my helper coming back here. He's dragging his feet though. Come on, helper. You're dragging your feet. Anyways, so we're out here in Houghton, Louisiana, and we're delivering the garden experience to a new family. And it's amazing. So we got the guys out here helping and loading dirt. We got some compost out here. It's going to be sweet. Alright, well, this is Tommy Giles with the Garden Experience, and I have my new friends over here, Dieter and his wife, and we're over here in Houghton, Louisiana, and I had my good friends Keith and Kip out here helping us put the garden together, and want to just kind of show you what they did, what they ordered. They got a 2x8 square foot garden, and raised elevated garden. They got squash, they got peppers, tomatoes, patio tomatoes, eggplant. Did I miss anything? Cucumbers that are going to run up all over the fence right here. And so yeah, we just wanted to get a quick word from them real quick. So how did you guys hear about us?
Well, my sister told me about it. She saw it on Facebook and expressed an interest, and I beat her to the punch and got it first. So.
Perfect.
Yeah, she saw it somewhere. I don't know exactly where, but on Facebook.
Right. Have you been gardening for years?
No.
I don't garden. Yeah, I do plants, but not vegetables. So this is the first vegetable. I'm very good with plants. So
you're optimistic.
I am.
Well, you can't go wrong with getting the whole box, the mushroom compost, and the plants delivered, and all you have to do is water it.
This has been great. Best experience. We didn't do any hard work at all. We just kind of watched.
That's right. Now look, the good part is all you have to do is water it and watch the increase.
That's it.
You can share it. There's going to be enough that comes out of this to share it with your neighbors.
I'm excited.
And then you'll be able to plant going into the fall too.
That'll be awesome.
The best part I like about it is what
pay it forward.
Yeah.
We got our stimulus and we were like, we can hold on to it or we can do something to benefit with it. So that's why we did it.
Yeah.
That's what we did with it. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Well, anything you'd like to tell anybody who would watch the video?
Definitely do this. It's worth the money. It's worth the investment. It's worth paying it forward. A great thing. You're putting something in and you're getting tenfold out.
According to the Bible, it's 30, 60, and 100-fold from one seed. That's right. Well, look, we thanks for watching the video, and if you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe and watch for more videos, and we will see you on the next one.